Good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be, I'm wrapping Christmas gifts. To say I'm wrapping Christmas gifts in Navajo, you say, Késhmish, ádaashłééhígíí, iisdis. Késhmish, ádaashłééhígíí, iisdis. Késhmish, ádaashłééhígíí means Christmas gifts I am sending out. Bith means with them. Iisdis means I'm wrapping them. Now the D in ádaashłééh and iisdis is a pluralizer. It means it's three or more. If I'm wrapping one Christmas gift, I say Késhmish, áshłééhígíí, iisdis. Késhmish, áshłééhígíí, iisdis. Now, notice that in that one I didn't say the paper at all. If I wanted to say I'm wrapping the gift with paper, I would say Késhmish, áshłééhígíí, naaltsoos, iisdis. Késhmish, áshłééhígíí, naaltsoos, iisdis. I'm wrapping the gift with paper. Now, if I'm saying, are you wrapping Christmas gifts? I would say Késhmish, ádanilééhígíísh, iisdis. If I'm saying Thai is wrapping Christmas gifts, I would say Thai, Késhmish, ádanilééhígííh, iisdis. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Késhmish, ádaashłééhígíí, iisdis. I'm wrapping Christmas gifts. Have a good evening, and Késhmish. Merry Christmas.